Good morning. In this presentation, I'll be presenting you how to extract the CP values for the windows that you place around your building. So, for example, this is the building, this is cable 1, and this came from our building stock geometries. We did a CFD simulation, we did the boundary, we did the setup of the boundary conditions. We assume a boundary layer wind, then uh, we satisfied the criteria to say that this is a steady state simulation. Then we're now on the process of post processing the results. So this is your ANSYS CFD post. So this is for the post processing built by ANSYS. So in doing the post processing process, we first look at this program. This is the program that I made in how do you say this, in producing the series of commands that you need to input into your ANSYS CFD post para lumabas yung mga CP values na hinihingi mo o ma-evaluate yung mga CP values na i-experience ng mga windows na nilagay mo. So, ano ba yung babasahin nito? Siguro discuss ko na rin konti. First things first, before mo i-run yung program, that dreaded line 23, i-edit mo kung saan mo nilagay yung code, yung sina-program, yun yung ilalagay mo na directory dito. Then, take note lang, lahat ng backslash dito, instead na single backslash, gagawin mong double backslash para ma-print siya. So, ito yung location ng file. Ito yung location, ito yung basically yung file location niya, yung program mo. Then, after mo edit yan, before mo i-compile, syempre pag kinumpile ko na, tapos ni-run ko, i-read na niya yung following file. So, bubuksan ko, nasa na yun, it reads two files. So, first is yung input file, hindi pa rin naka-display. So, ito yung input file. So, yung first 6 na line, first 6 lines, indicate yung dimensions ng ating building stock geometry. This is the height in meters, this is the length in meters, this is the width in meters, this is the roof slope in degrees, this is the eaves long in meters, this is the eaves short in meters. So, brief lang, itong dalawa is the purlin spacing and fastener spacing respectively. This is the roof panel thickness. This is the height of the second story. This is the height of the second story column. This is the wall brace spacing, and this is the truss spacing. So, okay. The other file na binabasa niya is titled windows.txt. So, ito yung laman ng windows.txt. Yung first line indicates kung ilang windows mo yung ilalagay mo across the structure. This will came in your makikita mo to kung ano ba yung, for example, for a specific case, sa yung naka-assign na building type sa failure simulation cases all. So, nandun lahat. Parang per case, na-indicate na kung based sa opening ratio, kung ilang windows man ilalagay mo across the structure. Then, yung mga windows na yon are represented by each line, every three values. So, ito represents yung coordinates ng mga ng vertices ng window mo. So, this runs on a counterclockwise manner. So, this is vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4. So, 8 windows, so 8 lines yung aking ginawa. after nung first line. So the following two are what your C program will read. So in running that program, so run natin F11 para compile and run. Then ayan nga, ini-scan siya ng aking antivirus muna, syempre naninigurado lang. So ipa-prompt niya kung ano yung translation dun sa mod, as discussed previously dun sa modeling na part. Kung 0 naman yung nilagay mo ng translation plane, okay, lagay mo na 0. Pero in this case sa Gable 1 nilagay ko is 27.4. Apart from that, siguro Gable 5 yung nilagyan ko pa ng value. Yung Gable 5 is 35.575. Pero for the others, 0 yung nilagay ko. So I press enter. Then kinompile na niya yung mga programs, ay yung mga ang kinompile niya and pinroduce niya palang mga files are the CSV files representing each window panel for a specific wind angle. Syempre nagro-rotate yung structure. So for each case na-accommodate niya yung rotation. So meron kang panibagong wall panels, may panibago kang user-defined surface indicating new location ng window mo after mag-rotate ng structure. So yun nga, speaking of what this program is producing, this produces a text file containing yung command script that you need to input in your I need to close this, that you need to input into your ANSI CFD post. So itong lahat na yan, copy lang natin, then returning to CFD post, tools, command editor, then dito sa part na to i-paste mo lang, then press process, ma-upload na niya lahat yan. To verify kung tama ba yung locations na nilagay mo, i-select mo lang yung mga user-defined surface, then show. So ito yung mga parang surfaces, user-defined surfaces representing windows na pinlay ko around the structure. Siguro edit ko lang ng konti, medyo magitna siya. So technically yun lang yun. Para ma-extract mo yung CP values, yung command na nilagay ko dun sa command editor, yung command script also produces the following too. Pero ito irrelevant na kasi dummy values na yung nakalagay dito. Pero what you're interested about is this table indicating yung CP values ng bawat wall panel. So yung wall panel na yon, yung part na yan, copy mo lang yan, then i-paste mo lang on this Excel template na nilagay ko. So meron nga siyang walong areas. Kung 0 degrees siya, dun sa 0 degrees ko yan, then ipi-paste mo lang. Then yun na yung gagamitin mo for your simulation. Basically yun lang yung window extraction procedure. Lang syempre pa ulit-ulit yung case. Gagawin, rinse and repeat, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, and so on and so forth. So that's the window extraction procedure, paste, copy. Siguro naman na-outline ko. I hope that you followed kung ano yung ginawa ko and kung tama ba yung mga windows na din-display ko dito sa presentation. So yun lang.